All right, breakfast time. Today we're having breakfast at the Windjammer, one of our favorite spots for a quick C-Day breakfast.
Hey everyone, you're here with Sugar and Alan, and today we're going to have us some breakfast in the Windjammer. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a look at the Windjammer so you can see what they offer for breakfast. All right, right here, this is for your fruits, as you can see. A great variety. Okay, and right here, let's see, we have scrambled eggs with cheese. We have some links over here. I'll let you know if it's pork. Yes, it is. They have the pork sausage. And then the country potatoes. All right, and right here we have baked beans and some bacon. Okay, so that's your gravy, because they have some gravy and biscuits. Okay, and right here we're coming up on your Asian station. And let's see what they have for you guys. Okay, they have vegetable fried rice, fried onion, fried garlic, and spring onion. And this side is your deli. This is where you're going to get all your sliced cheese, lunch meat. You can even get some avocado toast. Here's a look at that. Okay. Here's your condiment station. Ketchup, mayo, where we have mustard. You have your A1 steak sauces over there, Tabasco sauce. And I'm going to take you guys right across, which is your market carvery. This is where they cut up the ham, turkey. Alan's favorite spot when they have turkey. Let's see, what kind of meat we have? Honey glazed pork leg. Okay. This is what they call the international flavors. They're gonna have the same exact thing on the opposite side of the Windjammer. Okay, so again, there's your scrambled eggs, corned beef hash. We have baked beans, boiled eggs, roasted potatoes, vegetable fried rice, and let's see, mango pickles. That's what it says. Okay, because here you have your waffles, your French toast, pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes, hash brown, and sausage. Okay. And if you look right behind me, here we go. This is the bakery and eggs and more. Eggs and more, that means that's where you get your omelets. That's Alan's spot right there. They make your omelet fresh for you. Give you guys a look at the bakery goodies. Oh, they look so good. Bran muffins, sourdough, carrot muffins. They got plain croissants, vanilla Danish. Let's see, classic sugar, cinnamon donuts. Let's see, what's that? Raisin bread. And again, Alan's favorite, chocolate donuts. And right here is where you can get your butter, plates, and utensils. I'm gonna go show you guys how they do the omelets. Okay, right here, this is the pre-made. These are cheese omelets, and they're already pre-made. And then you have fried eggs, that's pre-made. And then if you come right here and get in line, this is where you can tell them what you want on your omelet, and they will make it fresh for you. That's what they're doing back there in the kitchen. They'll actually give you a buzzer. Once you place your order, they'll give you a buzzer so you can go sit down, walk around, grab something else to eat while you wait, and then come back and pick up your omelet. All right, and right behind the omelet station is your cereals. Okay, and you have milk and yogurt. We have strawberry parfait, chocolate milk, regular milk, and fat-free milk. And then here's some choices for your cereals. Special K, Frosted Flakes, Fruit Loops, Raisin Bran, Corn Flakes, and Rice Krispies. Can't forget about the beverage station. This is where you can come get your orange juice, apple juice, coffee, tea. All of those are complimentary. And as you can see, they have regular decaf. That's your hot water, so you can do your teas. Here's your soup station. Let's see what kind of soup they got this morning for you guys. Okay, that's empty. It says grits, but nothing's in there. Hot milk, grated cheese. Let's see what we have over here. Oatmeal.
Yeah. No sugar, no nothing.
Oh, no sugar, just brown
It's
sugar
healthy,
probably.
Yeah, it's healthy. Yeah, this is healthy. You sugar on the table.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. All right, so she was just telling me they didn't have regular sugar. That was her preference. As you can see, they put out brown sugar. But you can always use the sugar packets on the table. Breakfast time.
All right, so my usual, but I'm gonna get something different for breakfast dessert. So I got some scrambled eggs, got my roasted potatoes, some bacon, some hash browns. I got an omelet coming. They're working on it right now. Let's see what we got. I could see the eggs when I took them out of there. Yes, I'm getting eggs and an omelet. They're both eggs. Don't judge me. These were piping hot.
No
when I got them.
judgment zone.
No judgment zone. So if you guys watched us before, you know food temperature is a big deal to us, and we understand buffets and stuff. You know, it's not going to be nuclear hot. We get that. Eggs, they're hot. And again, I could see the steam coming off of them when I got them. Roasted potatoes. Yeah, they're lukewarm, which is typical. Really good seasoning. I love roasted potatoes with my breakfast. Love it. The bacon. I went to, I don't know, like 4 or 5 different bacon stations looking for the crispiest bacon, if that's a word.
You were on the hunt for crispy bacon.
Yeah, this was the best one that I could find. So let's see. Yeah, it's good. I wish it was crispier. And the temperature, lukewarm again. And again, we kind of expect that in a buffet. But it's good. Hash brown. Oh yeah, that's hot. Yeah, hash brown's good. You know, as usual, good flavor, good seasoning. It was hot. So yeah, so far, we'll see about my omelet. Of course, it's going to be hot. It's cooked to order, unless it sits there for a while before my little timer goes off. Breakfast, drink of champions. No Dr. Pepper for breakfast. That's good. A lot of times Royal will have them sitting out ready to go for you, and the ice melts, kind of waters it down. This came right out of the machine, so it's good. It's tasty.
Okay, so Alan's omelet has arrived.
It has arrived. Look at that. They put, I'm assuming Swiss mozzarella, I don't know, but they put the cheese on top too. I've never seen them do that before. I didn't notice up there if they have cheddar cheese, because I like cheddar and Swiss. I'll have to check that
I
next
believe
time.
they did.
Did they?
I think so.
Barnacles. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's good. I think I need to put a little salt and pepper on there. I told them extra cheese. Kind of looks like there's extra cheese. Maybe they figured the extra cheese was on top, which is still good. So yeah, it's piping hot. They cook it to order. My bacon, my ham, just need some salt and pepper. But yeah, as usual, good omelet. All right. I see green and red stuff in there. It must mean healthy.
Yeah, I got, so for my omelet, I have extra cheese, bacon, ham. Goodness, I did the veggies. I drew blank, but there's vegetables in
Something
here.
red, something green.
And tomatoes.
Oh, okay, so the red's probably tomatoes. And maybe you got a bell pepper in there?
There we go.
Wow.
That's what it is.
Okay. Man, I wish I could eat the variety that she does.
It's good. And for Shug to say it's good, I'm not a breakfast girl. It's good.
Yeah, and how is that possible? Like breakfast, there are so many different things to eat. And she'd rather just have a taco or a burrito. Which, I mean, that sounds good, but...
Yes. So, potatoes are good too. They're not hot, but they're good. They're warm. So, I would say overall, everything's good. I only got 2 things on here.
You don't think you need any salt and pepper on there?
Oh, no.
Oh, wow.
Believe it or not, and I'm a salt girl. It's good. And
Oh God. Don't. It's gonna burn your eyes. Don't look at that.
Am I the only one out there that drinks soda for breakfast? Please let me know in the comments below.
Yeah, I can't do it. It's got to be orange juice or water.
It's like it wakes you up.
All right, this is what I call breakfast dessert. Their waffles are freshly made. They've got a machine right there where they make them for you. It's kind of odd. The syrup is in like a, maybe it's not odd. It's in like a big pump where you pump it out like ketchup or something. I'm used to seeing it like in a little pitcher where you pour it out.
Where you push your thumb down and release the syrup, yes.
But I guess it's all the same thing.
Like IHOP.
Yeah, it's good. You could tell it's freshly made. They had other condiments up there, like strawberries and strawberry glaze, different things. I probably should have had something like that poured on there. I might go up there and add some of that on. Felt kind of weird, like putting strawberry and glaze on there with syrup. So it's like an either or, I guess. But yeah, it's good. Good flavor. It's nice and warm. Cooked to perfection. Not too much you can do with a waffle, I guess, besides the toppings you put on there. So I also picked up a little donut. Let's see. Yeah, it tastes fresh. Usually when I get their donuts for breakfast, they're kind of hard and taste kind of old. But yeah, this is fresh. Chocolate on top. You guys know I love chocolate. Yeah, that hits the spot. Breakfast dessert.
All right, so what did you think about your breakfast, Alan? It's like I know the answer, but I want you guys to know.
Like breakfast is 99 out of 100 times, it's a hit. You know, I'm a picky eater, so when it comes to lunch and dinner, you know, sometimes I struggle. But breakfast, man, there's just always something for me to eat. There's always a bunch of things for me to eat. So it was good. The omelet, of course, hot and fresh. I added pepper and salt to it, you know, after we did this original review, and it was good. Bacon, you know, the bacon, the potatoes, lukewarm, but again, it's a buffet. We kind of expect it. So yeah, breakfast, man, with the breakfast drink of champions orange juice, it's a hit. Breakfast of champions. Breakfast of champions.
Can you tell I'm excited? And breakfast was good, guys. It was real short for me. I had the country potatoes and a ham, bacon, cheese omelet. It was breakfast.
With vegetables in there.
With vegetables. So
okay.
It was good. The omelet was very hot. Again, it's cooked to order. My country potatoes were good, but warm, not hot.
You have lots of cheese in your... Oh, God. Don't look. It's going to burn your eyes. It's going to burn your eyes.
He needs to stop. Where are my Coca-Cola lovers out there? I see you. I see you. Okay, but overall, yes, my breakfast was good. The omelet and the crunchy potatoes. Oh, Alan actually went back and found me a couple of pieces of bacon because I like crunchy. It was good.
Yeah, and isn't it ironic? The bacon I found for her, same place I got mine, but this was crunchier bacon. So, yeah, Shook's got the luck of the bacon gods, I guess.
Yes.
So, all right, it's a hit. Well, it's
definitely a hit.
It's a hit for me, and it's an okay for her.
There we go. See?